The Commission on Elections wants to implement a policy that allows warrantless arrests against vote buyers and sellers to ensure clean and honest elections. Luisa Erispe tells us more.
Those guilty for vote buying and vote selling won't be able to escape from the law this time. This after the Commission on Elections released a resolution which allows a warrantless arrest for vote buying and peddling and also those abusing the resources of the government. Based on resolution number 11104 released by the POL and the Committee on Contrabigay, law enforcement agencies may immediately arrest vote buyers and sellers as long as they are caught in the act during the election day. Police officers are also allowed to confiscate sample ballots, campaign materials, and other goods to be used as evidence before a court of law. The COMELEC explained this was already implemented during the Barangay and SK elections last 2023, and this will be re-implemented for the midterm elections. Meanwhile, on the same resolution, the COMELEC will also implement an ayuda ban 10 days before May 12. Programs giving financial aid to people such as Doles Tupad, AKAP, AIX, and 4Ps of the DSWD will be banned starting May 2. Whoever candidate or their spouse or family member is seen and caught in violation such will be held liable for vote buying.
Lahat ng klaseng ayuda ay ipagbawal 10 araw bago mag-eleksyon. Sa kasalukuyan, yung AIX pa lamang ang pinagbabawal 10 araw bago mag-eleksyon. Subalit yung committee na pinangungunahan ni Commissioner Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda ay nagpupursige na lahat ng klase ng ayuda ay ipagbabawal.
The COMELEC also reminded candidates of the spending ban to take effect on March 28. The Commission reminded agencies that if abused by any candidate, the exemption may be recalled. The exemption is also not applicable from May 2 to 12. Meanwhile, for AKAP, the COMELEC is still waiting for the guidelines from the DSWD to formalize its exemption.
Maaaring in-approve namin yung pagdidistribute ng AKAP during the campaign period of 45 days before the election, pero yun ay conditional. Pag hindi na isubmit sa amin yung requirement na hinihingi namin, hindi po magiging effective yung pong mismong implementasyon nito.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.